I thought I've started recording already, but it is already recording even before I even decide to press. This is a first trade. Okay, I'm going to try and wait. That's like a $13 profit, right? I'm going to try and wait for another signal. I just had one now, but the recording didn't capture it, so I'm waiting to see that. Oh God! I've forgotten I've not shut down this thing, so just a minute, let it down because it's going to interfere with what I'm. Okay, I had the first trade, but I couldn't record it properly because it has already been executed before I recorded it. Now I'm waiting for signal, hoping to still get signal on the volatility 100 index. If I'm able to get, good. If I'm not, I'm already set, so I'm only waiting for the signal to enter the trade. Now this is me trading with $100. The same way you can get a trade with smaller amount is the same way you can get a trade with bigger amount. But first, you need to learn to crawl before you start working. And you need to learn to work before you start running. So slow, small, steady, you get to be there and you get to be able to do these things. I may have to pause, wait. Once I get signal, I'm going to be back. Okay, I just got signal for volatility 25 index and I just placed the trade. So at least the trade is on right now. Okay, so the trade has pulled through. This is me using the signal service to trade. Probably I should show you the signal. It's not on this phone because I'm working on so many things, but I'm going to show you the one I just traded right now that I was able to cover. So let's go and check. Okay, my camera. All right, so this is the signal, right? Look at the bottom here, 28. So the time is 10:28. That's the one I just did right now. That's the signal I just traded. So is it possible for you to get to do this? Yes, it is. And also, I'm working on my app. My app also gives the signal service. It's just that I don't want to use that right now because I'm still working on some things about it. So this is my app here about the same signal setup. So whenever the signal comes up, it's also going to notify you directly. So instead of going to the MT5 for the signal, you will get this immediately. So guys, does it work? Let's see if another signal can come, right? If another signal will come. Sorry, you're hearing a lot of sound. I have to change my ringing tone for my notification so that I get to know each time there is a change, right? If I get to see one more, I can place a trade. Okay, that's one. This is from my app, right? You can see Tmnmedia. So I just entered that from my signal service, right? That one that just showed up, this one I'm trading currently, is from my mobile app. All right, I may have to pause and wait for the signal to pull through, and then I may close it. If it doesn't pull through anytime soon, all this X value, they are always acting that funny. Okay, I may have to pause. Okay, so the signal took about exactly almost 1 minute to pull through. So that's me making I think $13 times 3. That's about 30. That's about $40, right? So it's important. That's 40% with just 3 trades. You need to understand, can anybody do this? Yes. And as you do with smaller amount, you can also get to do with bigger amount. That's signal for the 100 index. I'm not ready for that, so I can't take it. That's signal for 100 index. Now, these signals will always come. But because they are coming does not mean you are going to be trading every signal that comes. You pick 5 in a day, you do the trades, you close, you're done. Once you make your profit, you hit your target, you stop. You hit your target, you stop. So that's how it works. You can get to grow this. Okay, I just decided to do one more trade so that I can hit my target of 50%. And I guess I can still do one more inside the same trade. One more. Yeah, because I just see that I still have time inside this time frame. So I just made another one. Okay, now in total, I've trades. Not now, people, not now. In total, I've been able to do 5 trades. So let's see how much I actually made with the 5 trades. Where is this? Okay, profit table. I'm done. There are trading opportunities, plenty of them still going, but I'm done. I'm done with the trading session. Now look, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, right? Now that's 5 trades. And I did all these trades with Tmnmedia signal service. Now, every time I'm working towards perfecting the level of risk level. But the challenge is that most people do not follow instructions because of their greediness. Now, I made about 13.2 per trade times 5. That is $66 in less than, let's say, 20 minutes. $66, right? $66 multiplied by 450. That's 29,700. It's about 30K. That's 30K under 20 minutes. Nowhere else will you get such except for digital trading. So learn the skill and learn to be calm. It's not going to come immediately. There is going to be a learning period. It's just like learning how to drive a car. At first, you may be a learner, but soon afterwards, after you have had more experience, you become professional at it. The more you drive, the better you get. So because you have signals everywhere, in my signal service, you get to receive over hundreds daily. Over hundreds of signals daily. That's what you get to receive. Over hundreds of signals daily. Hundreds of signals. This is one of the reasons why I don't like using this phone to make any recording. But because on the other phone, I have some things running, so I didn't want to bother myself with it. You need to understand, is it possible for you to have this kind of result? It is. It is very possible. Very, very possible. You can be making such every day. But first, can you learn to follow instruction and do such in a small level, small scale? First practice, and then you can now grow. God bless you and have a wonderful day.